Hallo, liebe Leute. Let's take a look at your exercise Gute Freunde. So you already have the answers when you scroll down, yeah, but I wanted to just take a minute to go through this with you because we're looking at the subordinate clauses that start with weil. So look at this first one, okay? So your job here was to figure out what goes in the blank. And we've got Ich mag Tom. I like Tom. Weil so blank ist, because he's so blank. Kommt nie zu spät. He comes never too late. Yeah, so he's never late. That means he's pünktlich. Yeah, he's punctual. He's on time. Very important to Germans. Yeah, so kommt nie zu spät. He's not late, he's punctual. All right, but notice, yeah, in this weil clause, weil so pünktlich ist, yeah. Also, if we didn't have weil there, our sentence would read, ist pünktlich. He is punctual. But because we use weil, that ist gets kicked to the end of the clause, okay? So just pay attention when you see that. We want to use this exercise, too, for some pronunciation practice. I think a lot of you guys are stumbling a bit with your pronunciation because we're not doing a ton of speaking out loud. So I wanted to read this out loud for you and give you the opportunity. I'm just going to read it straight. If I were you, I would hit the pause button after every sentence and repeat the sentence, okay? Practice those vowels, yeah. Try to make sure that you're getting especially your umlauts right, yeah. So not pünktlich, also, but umlaut, also the sound goes up with those umlauts. Pünktlich, pünktlich. Yeah, fun. All right, let's look at the answers. Yeah, you can check your answers if you haven't already, and then pause after every sentence and repeat for me. Here we go. A. Ich mag Tom, weil so pünktlich ist. Kommt nie zu spät. B. Meine Freundin Ronja sieht aus wie ein Topmodel. Sie ist groß, schlank und sehr schön. C. Nora ist immer da, wenn ich sie brauche. Sie ist absolut zuverlässig. D. Andreas spielt Basketball, Volleyball und Tennis. Ist total sportlich. E. Ich mag meine Freundin, weil sie klug ist. Sie ist intelligent und sie weiß viel. F. Thomas ist sehr mutig. Bungee Jumping ist kein Problem für ihn. G. Meine beste Freundin lügt mich nie an. Ich mag sie, weil sie ehrlich ist. H. Alle mögen Paula. Sie ist nett und freundlich. Deshalb finde ich sie sehr sympathisch. Und I. Mit Laura muss ich immer lachen, weil sie sehr lustig ist. Okay, so guys, practice saying those. Try to say it just like I did. Also, if you want to say it for me and I'll give you some feedback, I can do that. Yeah, normally we would be doing this all the time in class, but weird times. Also, and if you're not sure about any meanings too, if then you can't find the words in dict.leo, just ask. Okie dokie, guys. That's it. Short and sweet. Tschüss.